Documentaries have always been a powerful medium for uncovering stories, exposing truths, and preserving history. With artificial intelligence entering the picture, filmmakers are equipped with groundbreaking tools to analyze massive data sets, restore archival footage, and craft narratives that were once impossible to tell. AI doesn't just enhance the process, it transforms how we discover and present the world's most compelling stories. In this episode, we'll explore how AI is reshaping the documentary genre, from investigative journalism to immersive storytelling. Data analysis at scale. AI processes vast amounts of data to uncover patterns and insights. Example, investigative teams using AI to analyze social media for misinformation campaigns. Pattern recognition tools like machine learning algorithms sift through satellite imagery to detect environmental changes. Highlight, AI uncovering illegal deforestation in the Amazon. Connecting the dots. AI helps journalists find connections between disparate sources, speeding up investigative processes. Example, AI-powered databases linking financial records in global corruption investigations. Challenge, if you could use AI to investigate any global issue, what would it be? Restoring old footage. AI tools like Topaz Video enhance AI, sharpen and colorize aged or damaged film. Example, restoring World War II footage for modern audiences in upscaling resolution. AI enhances low-resolution footage, making it suitable for modern viewing standards. Highlight, documentaries using AI to upscale early 20th century film reels. Audio restoration. AI cleans up distorted or noisy recordings, preserving important historical voices. Impact, clearer, more immersive storytelling for audiences. Interactive poll. Which historical event would you love to see restored with AI-enhanced visuals and audio? Dynamic narratives. AI integrates real-time data into ongoing documentary projects. For example, climate change documentaries updated with current temperature and emission data. Interactive viewer experiences. Audiences can explore data interactively within the documentary framework. Highlight, AI-powered maps and visualizations in environmental films. Live investigations. AI tools enable real-time reporting for crisis situations. For example, using drones and AI to document natural disasters as they unfold. Quick quiz, would you prefer a documentary that updates in real time or one with a traditional fixed narrative? Recreating historical moments. Artificial intelligence generated virtual reality environments immerse viewers in past events. Imagine for a moment walking through a virtual reconstruction of ancient Rome. Empathy through immersion is another fascinating aspect. AI tailors VR experiences to evoke stronger emotional connections. For instance, documentaries like Use VR to place viewers right in the middle of refugee camps. Interactive choices also play a significant role. Viewers can navigate their own paths within documentary experiences, creating a more personal connection to the subject matter. Debate, Does immersion make documentaries more impactful, or does it detract from their objectivity? Bias in AI algorithms, ensuring AI tools present unbiased and accurate data. Discussion prompt: how do we maintain trust in AI-assisted documentaries? Privacy concerns, ethical implications of using AI to analyze private data. Manipulation risks, preventing misuse of AI tools to alter or fabricate historical narratives. Discussion prompt: how can filmmakers ensure AI remains a tool for truth rather than distortion? Key takeaways: AI as a storytelling ally. From uncovering hidden stories to restoring the past, AI is a powerful tool for documentarians. Preserving humanity. While AI enhances storytelling, the human element remains essential in crafting narratives with heart. Future possibilities. The integration of AI and documentaries is just beginning, with endless opportunities ahead. Call to action. Documentaries are evolving, and AI is helping us uncover truths we never thought possible. Subscribe now to join us in episode 9, where we explore how AI is reshaping journalism and the search for truth in the digital age.